Do you see that great one? The one that was real low?
Yes.
And I'm like, on the ground.
Whoa! Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a good one.
Quick, boys.
Whoa.
Mean business. I came out, Madeline. I left my shoes in the house and I ended up with my Birkenstocks on. But I don't have to look like Christmas.
Yeah, the one that was real low, I'm on the ground.
Yeah, it was probably supposed to go a little higher.
Yeah. Everyone's looking at me like, what's wrong with you?
Self-preservation.
Yeah.
So if we could just get these hooked to music.
There you go.
Want me to bring it down?
Oh,
I see 3 going here.
3. This is good. This could get ugly. Get this on film.
Yeah, you getting this?
Film at 11.
For the insurance company.
This might be funniest on
Yeah, but
video.
he just like tilts over. It's like, oh my God, my ears.
As long as one.
Woo!
As long as one doesn't knock the other one over.
Yeah, and shoot it that
Yeah.
way.
Yeah.
Like Mexican jumping beans.
Yeah.
It's not going to be outdone.
Those are firecrackers.
Well, just look at the smoke and the light coming. It's like a mariachi dancers or whatever, you know, like. Too loud.
Who's that over there?
It's Norman.
Oh, okay.
I'm telling you guys, I'm not below hitting the deck end.
Oh, they're shooting at the Big Dipper. I didn't see that.
You know.
Oh, there it is right there.
We haven't gone high enough to knock it down yet.
Yeah, no, it's still there.
But what time of day is it?
It is.
I don't remember anything past
know what?
4:30.
Someone get me a can of
I think
kerosene.
it
We'll
says
really
10,
have some
15.
fun.
Does that say 10, 15?
Boom!
Not illuminated.
Yeah, you know.
So how do you turn on those shoes? Oh, you got to do it by. Okay.
Let me see your foot for a second.
Shooting them out.
What time is it?
10:15.
I wonder if you could do the can, you'd be like.
Yeah, we had someone really dead.
Double duty.
Didn't see nothing.
Not me, sir. I was just wanting to call you.
I can't find my way home. Brett, did you like the pizza?
Oh, you're running.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Number 2.
What kind did you have?
I had meatballs and cheese.
Isn't
and
that good?
Yeah.
Oh,
Was it
good.
good?
Yeah, that's a neat idea.
Well, he doesn't like sausage. And when Madeline was little, one of the things she ate was meatballs. So we'd put it, you know, do that.
Get a picture of her. Doing a turtle.
She's not turtly enough for us.
2. Here comes 2.
What happens if this one doesn't go?
Oh, I see them.
Chaser. Very nice.